Welcome to this scientific trivia on the circulatory system. Ready to play? Let's get started! First question. What organ pumps blood throughout the body? The heart. How many chambers does the human heart have? 4. What blood type is considered the universal donor? 0 negative. Which blood vessels carry blood from the heart to the rest of the body? The arteries. What gas enters the blood during breathing? Oxygen. Which part of the heart receives oxygen-poor blood? The right atrium. What valve separates the right atrium from the right ventricle? The tricuspid valve. What type of blood vessels allow the exchange of gases and nutrients? The capillaries? What is the process of forming new blood cells called? Hematopoiesis. Which organ produces red blood cells? The bone marrow. Which side of the heart pumps blood to the lungs? The right side. What part of the circulatory system collects CO2 from the body? Veins. What component of blood carries oxygen? The red blood cells. What is the name of the body's main artery? Aorta. What happens when a coronary artery is blocked? A heart attack. Which blood cell helps with clotting? Platelets. What does a sphygmomanometer measure? Blood pressure. Which organ filters waste from the blood? The kidneys. What is the name of the pigment that carries oxygen? Hemoglobin. What blood type is a universal recipient? AB positive. Which part of the circulatory system regulates blood pressure? The arterioles. What is the name of the circulation between the heart and the lungs? Pulmonary circulation. What is the heart's contraction called? Systole. What natural pacemaker regulates the heartbeat? The sinoatrial node. What is the average resting heart rate per minute? 70 beats per minute. What structure connects arteries and veins? The capillaries. What part of the body holds the most blood at rest? The venous system. What disease causes plaque buildup in the arteries? Atherosclerosis. What does an electrocardiogram detect? Electrical activity of the heart. What is the name of the vessel that carries blood from the intestines to the liver? Portal vein. What happens during a hemorrhage? Blood loss. What component gives blood its red color? The hemoglobin. What is the pressure called when the heart relaxes? Diastole. What structure divides the heart into two halves? The septum. What is the main function of the circulatory system? Transport. What blood cell fights infections? The white blood cells. What is the largest vein in the body? The vena cava. Which artery supplies blood to the brain? The carotid. Which part of the heart has the thickest walls? The left ventricle. Which organ also acts as a blood reservoir? The spleen. Which of the following is not a blood vessel? The bronchus. What is thrombosis? A clot in a vessel. What is a common cause of high blood pressure? Chronic stress. What is the term for an irregular heartbeat? Arrhythmia. What element in the blood helps transport oxygen? Iron. What interstitial fluid helps drain excess from the circulatory system? The lymphatic system. What happens if the heart beats too slowly? Bradycardia. What device is used to listen to the heartbeat? A stethoscope. What is a varicose vein? A dilated vein. Bonus! What is the name of the system that includes blood, vessels, and heart? Don't forget, write the correct answer in the comments below. That's a wrap. How many did you nail? If you're vibing with High Hippo, smash that like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.